Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't uploaded a video for a minute. I know, like, it's been true. It's been
Oh Lord. Again. A fucking again. Nothing new, nothing changed, same old shit. Same old fucking shit.
This happens all the fucking time. Okay, 1, 2, 3. No, I haven't uploaded a video for a minute. It's actually been 3 weeks since I last uploaded a video, which was the eyebrows.
Eyebrows on fleek, the fuck?
If you haven't seen that, then please check it out. But yeah, so today I'm back with another video, and this video I'm going to teach you guys how I achieve this like wavy, I don't know, but like how I get my hair to look like this. I think it's so pretty, and it suits me so well. By the way, I have a new intro. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do, because it didn't take like that much of a work, but I actually put my heart into it. I put my heart in everything I do on this channel, and so I hope you guys enjoy it, and please give it a like, subscribe, comment, share this video so that I can grow my channel. Okay, without further ado, let's just get right into this video. So usually I wash my hair whenever I'm doing this, because you want your hair to be all clean and moisturized whenever you're doing this, so that the hairstyle holds longer. So let's just pretend I washed my hair, I put in a leave-in conditioner, I brush my hair with Tangle Teaser. It's really important for you to moisturize your hair, because you will not wash your hair for a few days, obviously, and it's also very important for you to detangle your hair with the Tangle Teaser or whatever brush you have at home. So after doing that, I also apply a bit of argan oil. You can use whatever oil you have at home, and then I just tie my hair, this part, because I'm not gonna touch in this part now. I tie my hair in this part, and then I split my hair in the middle, as you can see right here, and tie this part of the hair that I'm not gonna use right now, and I just tie it. So I have my hair tied up in 2 buns, as you can see right here, and then this part is out. This is the part I'm going to work right now. Usually the smaller the braids you do, the better results you'll get. This is actually a really important rule if you're doing this. I also part this section of my arm. I'm going to work right now in 2, as you can see right now, and then I just braid it. Like, it's pretty simple. You also want to make sure that your braids are as tight as possible, but be careful so that the braids are not that tight, because then it will make your scalp itch, and that's not a good thing for you to have. So yeah, so basically that's all I do. This section I'm going to part it into. Oh, Jesus. I know I look crazy, but never mind. Also, I want to mention that you need to blow dry your hair first. I forgot to mention that, and that's a really a deal breaker in this case, because if your hair is not blow dried, at least you can also straighten your hair, but I think with dried hair you will achieve better results, because your hair will have more volume to it. So blow dry your hair, because that's a really important part. I actually look very cute with these braids. Oh my god, Ronnie. Have you heard that? If you haven't heard that, then you'll live under a rock. So right now it's about 6 6 p.m. and it's still so bright outside. I love it. It feels like we are on the summertime sadness.
Hi.
Okay.
And I love it because I get, whenever the days are longer, I get very much summer vibes, and it makes me wanna, and it makes me wanna go to the beach. So yeah. So just to remind, wash your hair, then apply a bit of leave-in and heat protector because you are going to blow dry your hair. Before blow drying, detangle your hair and yeah, blow dry it, and then section your hair into at least 4 parts as I did, and then just spray your hair. Oh my god, I look so cute. I actually look very cute. I'm not gonna lie, I look very good. So guys, I'm just gonna braid this part and I'll be right back. Anyways, if you guys don't know, I live in Portugal, and if you guys want to know, we are currently in lockdown. We are in lockdown since the beginning of this year, basically, pretty much that's it. And we are in our 3rd lockdown, I think. So I'm really tired of being at home. I really am. And I just hope that COVID goes away like soon because baby, I'm tired of you. I really am. And I just hope that since we are living the lives we are used to and we are living life the fullest as we should. So yeah, I feel like nobody is living their life like the fullest. Like nobody's enjoying their lives except those influencers that you guys like so much and that they post everything they do on social media. Those seem like they're having a pretty good time, not gonna lie, and I'm actually kind of jealous of them because I want to live my life too. So yeah, this is the final result. Oh my god, I look so bad. Okay guys, so like just a quick little information. If you guys see this side of my hair longer than this side, and that's because I decided to cut my hair at home. So that's why my hair is looking like uneven, but I'm not gonna fix it because I feel like if I'm gonna fix it, I'm gonna make it somehow worse. So I'm just gonna do nothing. That's what I do best. I'm looking cute actually. I'm looking really cute. Thumbnail. Oh my god, I look so cute. I look like one of those social media girls, like black girls with brains. I look so cute. Like I look like I'm gonna participate in the Pop Smoke music video, like the light skin, yellow. I like my bitches. You know what I'm talking about? Okay. Don't mind this side, I look cute. Okay, so this is the so after you braid your hair, what you're gonna do is with what's this called, elastics. Is this called elastic?
That is not correct.
Okay guys, so Google Translate told me this, so in Portuguese this is elásticos. In English, they said this is elastic. I don't know if I trust them, but let's just call this elastic. So this is the important part. Listen carefully. So after braiding my hair, I'm just gonna put my hair, like tie up my hair, and So literally, I'm like tying my hair until the end of the elastic. So this is what I'm gonna. So this is what I did. So, and this what it will make to your hair is those wavy slash curly parts of my hair that you guys saw. Mainly the reason for that is because of the elastic, because the elastic will like just define more the braids out. So that's pretty much it. I just do this. I don't know what this action is called, but wherever, I don't even know how this action is called in Portuguese. So now I don't make this cute, but whatever. Done. And this is what I do. And then I usually leave this for about at least for 24 hours, so a day. But the more you guys leave it on your hair, the better the results will be. I'm like, trust me, I know what I'm talking about. So just do this to your hair and it will be all great and perfect. And yeah, also if you want to apply some edge control or something that will make the hairstyle last longer, I don't know if you have that type of products. I don't have those, so I just do this. I sleep on it. I put a satin scarf so that I don't like mess it up at night while I'm sleeping. And usually I leave it for a few days, like 2 days, at least one day, and the results will look bomb. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the intro as well. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys on my next one. Goodbye.